Hi, I'm Cathy, and happy Vlogmas Day 20. I just wanted to take a few seconds here to just talk about the holidays, and that, a lot of times it's not all cheerful and happy and joyful for a lot of people. It could be a very stressful time, it could be a very sad time. And I finally went to church today. I haven't been inside the sanctuary since the closure, probably back in late March, maybe April when it closed. I can't remember now. I know it was before Easter. And been doing online church, but today was the first day we went into the sanctuary, and it was very different. Not as many people, but it felt so good to be there, and it just made me think about some things. And I was gonna bake some more cookies today, but I just my heart was not into it, and I was feeling sad, missing some people, and not being able to be with all my family during this holiday season. It's going to be a little harder, and I'm not the only one that's going through this. I know a lot of you are going through this also. So my heart is out for you. I'm thinking of you and praying for all of you. And I have a YouTube friend. Her name is Debbie, and she has a channel, and I will put the link below. And she's been doing Vlogmas also, and she's been giving some really great tips on how to deal with the holidays during COVID-19. And Debbie, I appreciate what you're doing in your channel. So check out the link down below for Debbie's channel and watch her, and she's got some really good tips, especially today's Vlogmas was awesome. So I wish you all a very good evening, and I will be back tomorrow, and we'll pick up for some more cooking. I think I needed a break today too, so we'll see you later. Love you all. Bye.